Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Office error code 3001526 or 3001545 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So I will stick to two resolutions only. The first one is to click on File and select Account. Check if it's activated, and if it is, then simply update Microsoft Office. Okay. If this doesn't work or if it is already updated, then right click on the Start button. Select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, and then you can select this option for installed apps. Okay, and then scroll down to Microsoft Office. Okay, we'll find it here. Yeah, click on these three dots here, select modify, select online repair, and then click on repair. This will solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.